Hey there, it's Tony from Hinge Outlet with another video to show all of the do-it-yourselfers out there how to get your project done the right way. All right, today we're going to show you how to remove a door from the door jamb. So we're going to pop these hinge pins out and remove the door from the door jamb, make it really easy for you. There's a couple tools we recommend using for this. First and most important is a door stand. Especially on hardwood floors, we want to hook that up to the base of the door so the door doesn't fall over when we're removing those hinge pins. Second, you're going to need a hammer. And third, we always recommend using our pin popper hinge pin removal tool. It makes it really easy to remove those hinge pins from your hinges. All right, let's get started. All right, now the hinge pins are removed from the hinges. We should just be able to slide the door away from the door jamb using the door holder. It makes it much easier for you. Thanks for watching. For more tips, techniques, and information on these products, please visit us at hingeoutlet.com.